Thanks for watching today's video. We're just heading over to Essex to get a floor done for one of our VIP clients, so stay watching. We're going to show you the whole process and show you who we're working with today. Right, so we've just arrived at the job. So this is going to be an office above the garages for one of our VIP clients. We've done some work with this client before. A lot of people know us from the job we did before, so stay watching. We'll show you the process and see if you can guess who the floor is going to be for.
All of the full tiles before we get onto the fiddly cuts, which is all of these beams.
Now, while the guys are finishing the full tiles, I'm just going to start measuring these cuts around the pillars.
All of the offcuts that we're not going to use around the edge will be going back to our factory where we'll be regrinding them into new tiles, so we have zero waste. So that's us all finished here upstairs. This is going to be an office. It's now all laid out in our light grey tiles. Everything's cut to shape. So this was a testing one around all of these beams, but all finished. We're just going to add the logo in and that's us good to go.
So we're nearly finished, just the last pieces of the puzzle to go in. Can anyone guess what it says?
We've just used the Stanley blade to pop up this corner and we're now going to remove these tiles to replace them with the logo tiles. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll show you some more collaborations coming up soon.